So the holidays are coming up, and are you someone who wants to celebrate the holidays while remaining sober? In this video, I'm gonna be giving a review on Welch's sparkling white grape so you can continue to remain sober this holiday season. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Let's ignite your sobriety. Today, let's ignite the world. This is Jamie Dottie Garza. And if you're like me out there, holidays is full of family, friends, getting together, and it's time for celebrations, right? If you're on a sober journey, if you're staying free from alcohol, this may be challenging for you. The other day I went to Publix and I was in the juice aisle. You know, my baby girl, she's 15 months, I was getting her some apple juice. And I happened to look up and I saw these bottles, and these bottles look lit. And I was like, yo, these look like champagne bottles. Now, I was familiar with, sparkling white grape Welch's bottles in the past, but these bottles, these look like, some Bel Air, or this looks like some Ace of Spades. I was like, whoa, hold up here. I think Welch's did a rebrand, and it definitely intrigued me. Now, usually when I celebrate, and it's all about reinventing celebrations without alcohol, I tend to, drink some ginger ale, and I'll call it a day. That's me turning up. So when I saw this, I was like, I wonder what this is like. I wanted something that fizzes, okay? I'm not talking B2K Little Fizz. Get that? No, corny dad joke? Whatever. I want to review and give you my true thoughts. It says juice cocktail from concentrate, non-alcoholic. Woo woo. Sober boys in the building, baby. I'm the sober boys. I wish I had like a sparkler to go on top and then light it up and take it in the kitchen. My family's sleeping right now, so I ain't gonna wake them up, but I feel like I'm a bottle boy. Take me back to my 2012, 2013 when I was at a club, standing on the couches, getting bottle service, thinking I was somebody. Take me back to those days real quick. As I get older, I'm very mindful of what's going into my body, so not bad. Total sugars is 28 grams. You can see it right there. Here's some of the facts. That's not bad. Included 13 grams of sugar. And if you think about it, when I'm drinking soda, we're talking like damn near 43 grams of sugar. So I'll take that. That's not bad. And of course, it's alcohol free. That's the big thing. I like the way the bottle is. I love the way it looks. It's got a cool aesthetic. I know the old school ones were the typical clear bottle here, green bottle, and then, but these are fire. And I don't know if I hope they're not just special edition. Let's test this bad boy. So I have a cup ready. Don't judge it. I know it looks cracked. Don't judge this, judge your mama, okay? It's plastic. It worked though. I didn't get, we're gonna use this today. Again, I should have did this video in the kitchen, but my family sleep. I gotta make content right now. They all asleep, so daddy's on grind mode. So we're gonna make it do what it do. So this is the official review of the Welch's sparkling white grape. Let's see what this hitting on. Sober boys in the building, man. SB sober boys. Call me a Welch's boy. You know how I used to call like Ciroc boys and all that? Alright, so I'm unwrapping it. Okay. Peels right off. Woo woo. We pop Welch's, oh. We pop Welch's, oh. Remember that Ron Browse song? Pop champagne, oh. This ain't champagne, but ooh. You got that bubbly. You guys hear that little fizz? Let's see the pour up. Let's pour up. Oh, snap. You guys hear that? Hey, I'm not mad at that. Like looking at this. Cheers. This got a good look to it. Okay, especially when you're being sober and you just want that look. This might be it. And just knowing there ain't no alcohol in there. Okay, it's bubbly. It looked like ginger ale, which is what I'm used to. I'm turning up and living this lifestyle. But let's go ahead and let's see what this hitting on. Let's see what you got going on, Welches. Let's see if I'm feeling it. Damn. Okay. You saw the pinky up. Hey. Man, I feel like getting on the couch or standing on the couch right now. Wow. This tastes amazing. Wow. This is delicious. Welch's, you're in your bag with this one right here. Sparkling white grape. I lucked out. I'm so glad I got this flavor. I'm sure the other flavors taste bomb too. But this one right here, I will definitely be sipping on this Christmas. And more importantly, New Year's Eve in celebration for the new year. Give me a whole case of these. This is absolutely delicious. Again, I found this version at Publix. I Googled it. It looks like they have them at Target as well. Under $5 though. Wow, this is bomb. It's like fulfilling without the guilt of drinking. I'm not gonna get a hangover off this. Like, they got the look, the aesthetic. My thing is, especially, and you guys are probably learning too, making celebrations in your own way and fun, and replacing alcohol with other things like sodas or whatever have you. This is a very healthy alternative right here, especially if you want that fizz, because sometimes that's one of the biggest things I miss. I just miss that fizz and that bubbly feeling. This is that bubbly feeling. I don't miss the after effects of alcohol. I don't miss the damages it does to my body. But man, this is lit, man. You know what's cool about this too? I could share some with my kids with no guilt, because guess what? It's grape juice, homie. Look, I know Welch's is not paying me for this or sponsoring this video, but Welch's, if you need someone to endorse this, reach out to your boy. Like, we can make something happen. Like, this is an easy way and a great way to remain sober during the holidays. I wish you guys Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. And I just want to shout you guys out right now for remaining sober and going through this holiday season to the new year. Staying on your purpose. Staying sober. You got this. If you haven't started your journey, this is the perfect way to start it. And I'm wishing the best for you guys. If you guys like this video, smash that like button for me. If you want to see more videos like this on the channel, I might review some more different flavors if you guys like this video. Leave in the comments below, hit the red button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ignite the world, ignite your sobriety. Peace.